Hello children, we are on the question answer part of class 3 lesson 2. Let us see, explain the following. First one is air pollution. Air pollution is when unwanted chemicals, gases and particles enter the air and the atmosphere, causing harm to animals and damaging the natural cycles of the earth. Coming to the second, deep breathing. Deep breathing is a simple exercise that helps us to absorb more oxygen. It is practiced during yoga, which relaxes our body and mind. Coming to answer the following. What do you mean by the internal organs? Name any 4 internal organs. There are some organs which are located inside our body. We cannot see them. They are called internal organs. 4 internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, liver. Any 4 of your choice you can write. What is the function of the lungs? The main function of the lungs is the process of gas exchange called respiration or breathing. Lungs expand when we breathe in and absorb oxygen and contract and exhale carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Coming to question number 3. Draw the diagram of human respiratory system and label the organs. It is there in your book. You can refer it on page 23. Then coming to the next. Explain the process of breathing with a suitable diagram. The process of breathing involves 2 processes. When we breathe in air, rich in oxygen, it is called inhalation. When we breathe out air mixed with carbon dioxide, it is called exhalation. Diagram is there in the book, page 23. Explain the causes of air pollution. The causes of air pollution are bursting of firecrackers at weddings and festivals. Bit B, burning of coal at home for cooking or in factories. Bit C, harmful gases and smoke released from vehicles that get mixed with the air. Bit D, smoke and harmful gases that are released from the chimneys of industries and factories. Any 4 you can write from the book. I have given already 4. Write any 2. Question number 6. Write any 2 harmful effects of air pollution. 2 harmful effects are disease of lungs and skin, heart disease. I have given 2. You can write any 2 of your choice. Now coming to the diagram part. Let me say you. This upper portion is the diagram of the respiratory system, and this one is the process of breathing. These 2 diagrams, this one is the process of breathing. This diagram you have to do inhalation and exhalation process, and this one is the respiratory system. Your question number Question number 3, this diagram. Your question number 3 requires this diagram, and your question number 4 requires this diagram. Thank you.